What's up, guys? Angel here of Los Cinco Amigos, and today we're going to be playing the handcuff challenge. Simple rule is basically I'm being handcuffed to one side, and the keys are going to be in this other side of the pocket in my car, and I'm going to have to get the keys and see how fast I can get out the handcuffs, and then after that, it'll be Gustavo's turn.
You make me.
Here, use the timer. Oh my gosh, it's hurting my wrist. Oh shit, hurry up. Where's the timer? Go to clock. Go to clock, this is hurting my hands.
I can't find clock.
Oh my gosh, I'm in extreme pain and you're taking your time. Go to apps, and then go to clock. It's in alphabetical order.
What the fuck?
It's in the beginning. It's right there. Clock is right there up above. It hurts. Alright, tell me what to go.
Not a timer, stopwatch. Okay, go.
Never been broken, never been bothered, suddenly changing, thinking I'm never amounting to nothing, been chasing a stereotypical fantasy, acting like everything happens for reasons, still I just might end, been making me lose my mind, but telling myself why the hell did I write shit,
I have them in my grip. Shit, this hurts.
Realizing it's so predictable where we just won't go, and that's wedding bells in a chapel, benevolent on the wrong apple, living life, emotions you never can manage, they figure me out of a raffle, number one heartache coming from memories, number two pencil style, we straight now,
oh shit, why did you have to put him so tight?
and that's real, running in circles, never leave me alone, say I don't answer the messages, pick up my phone, say we all need some time, just to settle down, won't you come around, cause I never can leave it alone, tell me
oh, here we go, it's in the hole.
Is
it? What the fuck am I doing? I feel it through something. What the fuck? That piece broke off. Yes. So one of the keys. No wonder it wasn't working. Shit, this hurts. Where's that hole? You ready to give up? No. Where is it? Looking through. Ah, yes. One more. Oh no, wrong way. Oh yes, I did it. Oh shit. Look at that. Look how tight he put that. You see a freaking line right there. Jeez. He left these lines on my wrist. You were cutting off my blood flow in my veins.
I told you. We're not tight, you know?
It didn't feel tight the more I moved.
Okay, that's your fault.
Alright, next.
Let's go, man.
Alright, guys, next is Gustavo's turn. Now I'm gonna.
I got this.
I'm gonna cuff you up.
I know I got some problems and I'm open to mine, so we all need some time just to settle down.
It's inside now. Get the timer. I wonder where clock's at. Alright, ready. Set. Go. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors I'm a fool for your love. You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. What the hell? No feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking. Just like the damn duct tape challenge. I get screwed and you don't. What the fudge? 26 seconds. What the hell?
I got it.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Well, guys, I guess that was a handcuff challenge. I guess I'm terrible at escaping challenges. But thank you guys for watching. If you want a part 2, make sure let's get this video 10 likes, and we'll probably do Leo and Timmy. Thank you.
Bye. happened, Angel?
Shit. You know how bad this is hurting my wrist? You better let me out.
Don't you have class like in 5 minutes?
Crap, yes I do. Give me the damn keys. Well, give me a knife. I'm gonna cut them off.
Oh, I have one. Hold up.
No. Give me the damn key. I don't want to break these. This is the prop for the movie. What is that?
Get the camera. Fist bump, you know? Fist bump. I have to keep on saying.
What the hell? I knew you had the key. Dude, I have like class in like 2 minutes. Oh, that made no sense to do that.
What's the key now? Oh shit! How?
No freaking idea.